everyone. Today I built a cool bird game using Arduino, LCD screen and two push buttons. The bird is shown on the left side of the screen and there's a cactus that moves from the right. The first button is used to avoid the cactus. If the cactus touches the bird, it shows hit cactus. The second button is used for resetting the game. Every time the bird escapes a cactus, the score increases. It is really fun and easy to make great ways to learn how to make games using Arduino. This project is used for learning how to make simple games with Arduino. It teaches how to use buttons and LCD screens, game logics like jumping, scoring and resetting. It is useful for beginners who want to learn coding and electronics in fun ways.